So the positive line's coming in before the test line, the C line, to prove it. So that's how quick it is. When you are positive, the positive result comes up really quickly with the Omicron in your lateral flow test. Going to be gutted if this gets nice and deep and I can't go out with my fat bike. Excuse me. So after 15 minutes, oh my god, did you ever see such a positive case? The test line's nearly black. So I first had symptoms on Sunday, and this is Thursday morning. I can't see that tapering off for a couple of days at least. Oh well, under the quilt for me. Test line still appearing before the control line. Straight away, no doubt whatsoever. So that's me. Friday. That's day 6, so I'll not be out in 7 days. Going to miss all this as well. Boo! Oh, hello, pretty. Siskin v Chaffinch. Chaffinch wins round 1.
Yes, as somebody from Sweden once said, the winner takes it all. The goals to Niklas Eden finally for him.
Very nice children.
For Great Britain when you come so closely.
Alright, bye bye, China. Yeah, that's fine. And also bye bye to any hopes I had of going outside until Tuesday. Bummer. Your smartphone has got a way to go for focusing on birds. Come on, focus on the bird. Well folks, here's some nice branches for you with something in the way. That's a siskin. And he's a greedy fucker. Put out some sunflower hearts and Niger seed, and they're just like crack wars on it. Hello beauty, have you come to see me? Have you? What are you saying then? What are you after? Do I need to get some special food for you? Do I need to get some special food for you? Hello? What is it you're after? You're a beauty, aren't you? I'd love to give you something. What are you after? Come on then. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on in. Up you come. Come on in. What have we got? I've got to get something for you, haven't I? What do you want? I'm going to away and get some cheese. This is my best pal. Right underneath me. Did you ever feel like you're redundant and they want you to disappear? Do you know I hadn't seen a siskin for about 20 years? And then I put out Niger seed and they started coming back. And now there's millions of them. Bless. Focus. Aha. Hallelujah, hallelujah. So this is Tuesday, 1 week after I first tested positive. I get my first negative test. So it's day 9 or 10 now anyway, because my first symptoms were on the Sunday. So I'm out tomorrow, providing that's negative. Oh, I'm out tomorrow anyway. Huzzah. Storm with no name is a bit brutal. No, these sparrows are having to hide. Oh, and Mr. Robin. Looks like I need to unblock the drain pipe again.
As a band like Machine Head would in the Gear Up tour release to the album. But there's also been some
Latest in a series of which birds get bathed naked in my garden. sparrows have made it out from under the bush. Now some of them. Stay tuned for another riveting episode of Pete film stuff while locked up because of COVID. Tool in the background. How good does it get? Look at them beauties. Hunters though. I thought sparrows were supposed to be disappearing. Whee! Oh, I'm the brave one. I'll stay behind. They're all muppets for running. I'm tough as hell, me. Ah. All the grass it is mine. On home. Mr. Chaffinch. He's so pretty. And the Siskin. Don't know what's in the grass today, but the birds are loving it. Day 11, still a faint positive. War in Ukraine Day. It's a very sad thing. Siskins don't care. Siskins just like sunflower hearts. Don't like dried mealworms. Just sunflower hearts. Snow today. Just like the Eastern Front. Siskins pig themselves on the Niger seeds. Thick door to a Derbyshire with us on in the background about Ukraine. Behold the videography skills of a master, with the River Lossy as bokeh in the background to my wildlife awesomeness. But more importantly,
we're going to welcome back viewers now on BBC World News. We're going to talk to somebody who is in Kiev.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.